Okay, this is it. This is the drawing, the big drawing for our 2014 ride with a Patriot jet pilot. Let's see who we get here. How many entries did we have?
922.
922. All on social media. Thank you, everyone. Here we go. Here it is. Gina Goolsby. Facebook event. Gina Goolsby. I hope I pronounced that right, Gina. Gina Goolsby. We are going to contact you right now. It is about 2 o'clock Friday afternoon, the 25th of July, and hopefully you can make it to this flight next week. Congratulations, Gina. Very good.